Hello students, welcome to Showrup's classes. For more information, you can visit our website www.showrupsclasses.com. Also, you can call us or WhatsApp us directly here in this number. So, in this video, we'll be solving some past year questions of BCA, and the topic we'll be focusing on is computer awareness. Okay, so let's get started with the question answers. So here the question is about which multiple access technique is used by IEEE 802.11 standard for wireless LAN. So here we have some multiple access techniques and we have to find out the correct answer which is used by IEEE 802.11 standard for wireless LAN. So options are CDMA, option B is CSMA, CA, and option C is ALOHA, and option D is none of this. So here option B will be the answer, that is CSMA, CA, because carrier sends multiple access, carrier sends multiple access. So this is CSMA, that is with collision avoidance, that is CA. So CSMA, CA in networking is used for multiple access. Okay, so clearly our answer will be option B, that is CSMA, CA. Now let's move to the next question. So here the question is about microcontroller. So how are microcontrollers classified on the basis of internal bus width? And here we have some options. So a multi-controller that is classified as 4-bit microcontroller, if it is executes a nibble. So I was saying that if this is a 4-bit microcontroller and if it is executes a nibble at a time, so then it will be 8-bit controller. Okay, so again, if it is executes a byte at a time, it's a byte at a time, then and byte at a time, and also called 16 or 32-bit controller. So again I'm repeating my answer, that is if a microcontroller is classified as 4-bit, okay, classified as 4-bit, and if it is executes a nibble at a time, then it will be 8-bit controller. And if it executes byte at a time and is called 16 or 32-bit controller. So if it executes 2 and 4 bytes at a time, then it will be 62-bit controller, and if it executes 4 bytes, then it will be 32 bytes. Means, again I'm just repeating my answer, that is if a microcontroller is a 4-bit microcontroller and that executes a nibble, then it will be 8-bit controller. And when it executes byte at a time and 2 byte we will be executing this 16-bit controller, and 4 byte will execute this 32-bit controller. So clearly our answer will be, let's see. Okay, so this will be our answer, that is 4, 8, 16, 32 that we were explaining. Option B. So option B will be our answer in this question. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, press the thumbs up button. If you have any query, any question regarding this lecture or any other lecture, you can comment us in the below section. And also you can share this video with your friends. So thank you for watching.